This is a video about my form that I made on woofu. I've embedded it in my SAE website, so if you go through the website, you can click on the contact tab over here at the end, and it'll show you a little link here. You press this button, take the quiz, and I made it so it opened in a new window, and this is how the survey comes up. You can click on it and turn it in, so it'll submit the responses. This is just the advertisement page of it. You can close out that. But then if you go to your woofu, this is mine where I've logged in. I can see, I refresh the page. Here's the number of entries that we've done. It gives the answers to each question, so you can see where I didn't answer those two questions. So that's how you use the woofu.